Okay, sorry about that, guys. So this is, I guess, going to be into a two-part thing. This is part two of the Grave Raver upper mechanism repair because the last video ended abruptly because the size limit was, I guess, I just ran out of space, so I had to, well, the video just ended abruptly. So that was, I guess, part one to the upper mechanism movement, and this is part two to the upper mechanism movement repair. So, as I was saying in the last video, what you got to do is you got to take these two screws and then screw them in over here. This is a little tricky. Hang on. Oh, come on. Okay, I got it back on. And I'm just going to go ahead and screw this in. Alright, there we go. What the heck? Won't screw in all the way, hang on. Well, this screw is really close to getting stripped as well, so that could be another reason why it's not really going in all the way. I'll just have to use this screwdriver then. Wait, you can't see that. I'll have to use this one. Okay, got that screw in, and now, where'd the other screws go? The heck? Hang on, I gotta look for those screws again. Okay, found the other screws. So, I'm gonna go ahead and screw this one back in here. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, got it. And that arm is in. And then, I already slid this arm back into place. I'm gonna go ahead and take it off again just to show you how to do it. Okay, so gonna want to match these up with the grooves. Wait, okay, there. It should just slide into place. Okay, there we go. Just slid back in. And then we're going to take this screw right here, which I believe is the final screw that we need to screw in. Awesome. Try and zoom in here. So we're just going to try and put this screw back into there. And then we're going to screw it back into place. Okay, that should be it. That's pretty much all you got. That is all you need to do. That is everything that you need to do to fix the upper arm movement mechanism on this grave raver. It can be, well, not specifically this graver. It doesn't have to be a Pumpkin Man. This will work on any other grave raver that you have. I'm really sorry that part 1 had to be over a half an hour long. That was my fault. And also my phone ended up running out of storage at that point, so it just ended abruptly, so I'm really sorry about that. But anyways, let's go ahead and try it out. Oh, that is so cool. And it is so quiet. It is so quiet. I'm gonna go ahead and play them for you again. Wow. I am so glad that I was able to repair this. Oh man, you have no idea how happy I am to know that I finally fixed it. Finally fixed it. I am so glad right now. I'm so glad that I finally got this done. Now really all you got to do is just sew the back up here. Just sew it back up, but I'm not going to do that right now because oh man, you don't know how happy I am to finally get this done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, if you liked part 2 and part 1, make sure to like both of them and subscribe and leave a comment on both videos to let me know what you think. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and play them one more time and then I'll end the video right here. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.